Remmy. 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 Yes. I was talking to you. Good off. Wrong. Thank you. Thank you. Good off. Yeah. Gotcha. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good off. Off. Excellent. Gotcha. Thank you. Good. Let's keep walking. Ooh, maybe there's a deer over there. Yep, we got 3 dogs in. You guys are going to be like having a fit over. Uh-oh, don't run into Pete. Don't run into him, man. Hi, Pumpkin. I was worried you were laying down over here. You're just taking a sun nap? Good off, everybody. Excellent off. Oh, excuse me. Off. Excellent. And Murphy's coming tomorrow morning. Now, you guys, you're going to like Murph. You're going to run your pants off. It's one of Lizzie's boyfriends. Huh, Liz? Okay. They left us, didn't they? Uh-oh, you got dirt on your face. Got dirt on your face. Darn. Thank you. Excellent. Ah, good off. Good off. Thank you. Oh, look at you doing the nature sit right there. Yeah. Good dogs. Oh, oh, ow. Hey, it's just what dogs do. She let out that squeaky noise that excites their prey drive. That's why children get hurt, because they let out squeaky noises. But she's learning it's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. Again, if I'm looking at them, I'm not filming. Okay, no flying puppies are allowed anymore. No flying puppies are allowed. Okay.